Prayer doesn't change God, but it changes the one who prays it. Let's begin this day with prayer. Now, I call upon Kavya to start this event with a devotional touch.
Namo Hariyantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Hariyanam, Namo Yajayanam, Namo Loye Savasahunam, Yeso Panchanamukaro, Sava Pavapanasano, Mangalanam Chesavesim. Padamam Havai Mangalam Padamam Havai Mangalam நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்த கிழிலொழுகும் சீராரும் வதனமென திகழ் பரத கண்டமிது தெக்கணமும் மதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனர் திருநாடும் தக்க சிற பிறை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போலனை துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திரும்பியந்த செயல் மறந்த வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Thank you, Kavya, for making us to feel the bliss and vibes of God. Now, I call upon Vasumati to deliver the welcome address.
It's my pleasure to deliver the welcome address in front of you all. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhai Patel Day. By the year of 2014, this day was introduced by the Government of India, marking the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhai Patel as National Unity Day. I feel very proud and happy to welcome you all this great celebration. I would also like to thank our program officers and the management for organizing such a great event. I also welcome our NSS family to this event as this house won't be fulfilled without you people, the housemates. I thank you all for sparing your precious time with us, and I request you all to give your presence for this whole event. Thank you all.
Thank you, Vasumati, for your lovable greeting. Coming back, I just wish to know whether do all of us know why we have gathered up here? Any guesses? Okay, it's our National Unity Day. Though we know the theme, many of us do not know why it is celebrated. And so, here Pradipa has came to enrich us with the knowledge. I request her to uptake this valuable moment.
A very happy morning to one and all present here. Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st October of every year since 2014 to mark the birth anniversary of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhai Patel. This year marks the 144th birth anniversary of the freedom fighter and an ace politician. Sardar Patel played a major role in the integration of India, Ek Mubarak, from over 560 principal states. To acknowledge his efforts in uniting the nation, India celebrates National Unity Day or the Rashtriya Ekta Divas on his birth anniversary. In countries like India, which are full of diversities, religions, castes, languages, civilizations, and cultures, it's very important to maintain unity. So, to establish the unity of the nation, the Government of India proposed the Rashtriya Ekta Divas in 2014. Since Sardar Patel is known for the integration of India, National Unity Day is set to celebrate on his birth anniversary every year. When we come to know about the meaning and importance of celebrating this day as the National Unity Day, it's absolute that we have to know about the history behind it. In memory of Sardar Vallabhai Patel, the Government of India has constructed a huge statue of the Iron Man of India near the Narmada River in Gujarat. Also, to acknowledge the struggles and sacrifices of the first Deputy Prime Minister of independent India, Sardar Patel, the Government of India announced the National Unity Day on his birth anniversary. In the official statement issued by the Home Ministry of India in 2014, it was stated that National Unity Day will provide an opportunity to reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of our nation to withstand the actual and potential threats of the unity, integrity, and security of our country. The significance of this day is that on this day, people recall the great works of Sardar Patel and acknowledge them by celebrating Rashtriya Ekta Divas. From people from all over India will get gathered and celebrate the unity of nation by delivering speeches, spreading knowledge, etc., and also by organizing events, webinars, and seminars at different parts of the country. We, the future citizens of India, should also assure and promise to ourselves that we'll always work towards maintaining unity among ourselves. I thank you all for giving me this golden opportunity to deliver a speech in this great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Pradeepa. That was really informative. I hope all our volunteers are well versed with the knowledge and need of National Unity Day. It's not really enough only to know about it. It gets fulfilled only after getting it
சுபிக்ஷா
into practice.
சுபிக்ஷா ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
Ma'am?
சுபிக்ஷா கேக்குதா?
Yes, ma'am.
இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஃபார்மர் பிரைம் மினிஸ்டர் இந்திரா காந்தியோட நினைவு நாள் இன்னைக்கு.
Okay.
அதுவும் சர்தார் வல்லபாய் படேல் பர்த்டேவும் சரியா? அதுவும் சேர்த்து கொடுங்க. ஏன்னா அவர் ஒரு பெண் பிரதமர் இல்லையா, முன்னாள் பெண், ஒரு சிறந்த ஆளுமை மிக்க ஒரு பிரதமர். அவருடைய நினைவு நாளும் கூட இன்னைக்கு வந்து சர்தார் வல்லபாய் படேலுடைய பிறந்த நாள், அதாவது தேசிய ஒருமைப்பாடு தினம், நேஷனல் யூனிட்டி டே அப்படின்னு ஒவ்வொரு வருஷமும் நம்ம செலிப்ரேட் பண்றோம். இந்த வருஷம் நம்ம ஆன்லைன்ல பிளட்ஜ் அண்ட் அப்புறம் வெபினார் மாதிரி நம்ம கண்டக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். சரி, நீங்க கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க.
It's not only really enough to know about it. It gets fulfilled only after getting it into practice. To start with, we have planned a small pledge which will be delivered now by Pavitra. Thus, I request her to take the decorum.
I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen, to take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Thank you. Subiksha?
Thank you, Pavitra. Yes?
Yeah, you were in.
Okay. For well versing us with this pledge, we have came up to the end. Hopefully, we have came up to the end of the event. I request Vasumati to deliver the oath of thanks.
I also thank college management and our NSS program officer for organizing such great event. I take immense pleasure in thanking our NSS housemates as you guys made the event more beautiful with your gracious presence. Once again, I thank all of you for sparing your valuable time for the whole event. Thank you all.